Hello students, today from unit 4, that is nothing but principle of management. From that we will see the implementation of FIS using PDCA cycle. Okay, so what is meant by a PDCA cycle? That is it is used for process and product control and also for the improvement करने के लिए ये हमें ये साइकिल हम यूज़ करते हैं. ओके, इट इज़ आल्सो नोन एज डेमिंग साइकिल, शिवॉट साइकिल, and also it has another name that is nothing but PDSA, that is plan do study act cycle. Okay, so this plan do check act or plan do check adjust, so it is an interactive design and management method which is used for the control and continuous improvement of process and product. Okay, सो इसको हम डेमिंग साइकिल भी बोलते हैं, शिवॉट साइकिल भी बोलते हैं, प्लान डू स्टडी एक्ट PDSA साइकिल और PDCA साइकिल भी बोलते हैं. ओके, एंड इसका एक अनदर वर्जन देखा जाए दैट इज़ नथिंग बट OPDCA, मीन्स दिस एडेड O स्टैंड्स फॉर ऑब्जर्वेशन. ओके, observation the current condition or observe the current condition. Okay, so this is nothing but a PDCA cycle and it stands for plan do check and act. Okay, so this is your PDCA cycle. Okay, very first one is your what is plan, then do, check and act. so सबसे पहले देखेंगे what is mean by a plan. So in this case we have to establish and means objective establish and process required to deliver the desired result. So in this case हम इस केस में टीम बनानी पड़ती है. ओके, प्लान में what we have to do, we have to build a team, then we have to identify the problem and then we have to study that problem and means we have to understand that problem and then we have to identify the potential root cause. कहाँ पे रूट कॉज है, कहाँ पे पोटेंशियल है, कहाँ पे हमें काम करना है. दिस इज़ नथिंग बट योर प्लान. ओके, next one is what is do. So in this case it's carry out the objectives from the previous steps, that means describe the solution and try or test for the solution. Next we have to go for carry out a small scale pilot project, then we have to measure the result. Okay, these activities are conducted in your do activity. Okay, and next one is your check. So in this case what we have to do, that we have to study the result, then we have to measure effectiveness and communicate and feedback. Means during the check phase the data and the results gathered from the do phase, do से जो डेटा आया है that we have to evaluate. Okay, so data is compared to the expected outcome to see any similarities and differences. Means the testing process is also evaluated to see if there were any changes from the original test created during the planning phase. Okay, so if the data is placed in the chart, it can make it easier. Okay, to see any trends if the PDCA cycle is conducted in multiple times. So this helps to see what changes work better than others. Okay, if it said changes can be improved. Okay, so this comes under your check activity. Next one is your act. In this case if the solution was successful, then we have to go for implementation. Okay, If the solution was successful, then implement it, and if the solution was not effective, then again follow this all the procedure. That is nothing but a PDCA cycle. Okay, this comes under your act activity, means also called as, it also called as adjust. Okay, the act phase is where a process is improved. Records from the do and check phase helps identify issues with the process. So these issues may include problems, non-conformities, opportunities for improvement. Okay, means planning for the next cycle can proceed with a better baseline than work in the next do phase. Means should not create a recurrence of the identified issues. Okay, if the does means then the action was not effective. This is nothing but your act phase. So uh, when to use this PDCA cycle, when we have to go for this PDCA cycle, when starting a new improvement project, then we have to go for this. And when implementing any changes, then also we have to check all this. uh, we have to follow this PDCA cycle. Okay, and when working towards continuous improvement, then and then only we have to follow this PDCA cycle. Okay, this is nothing but a PDCA cycle: plan, do, check and act. Okay, thank you.